Want to change the background color of your chart for better visibility? Here's how to do it on MetaTrader 4. First, open MetaTrader 4 on your device and log into your account. Right-click on your chart and select Properties. In the Colors tab, you'll see options to change the background color, grid, and other chart elements. Select a new color for the background, example black, white, or green that suits your preference. Click OK to save your changes. Now you have a custom background color for your chart. A darker background can help reduce eye strain during long fading sessions. Choose a color that is easy on your eyes and improves chart visibility. What color do you prefer for your charts? Let me know your favorites in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.